Indian food is famous all over the world. The secret to its unique taste is spices. Spices are very, very important in our cooking. They make every meal an exciting experience. Without spices, Indian food would not be the same. They are the foundation of our cuisine. Every region, every household has its special way with them. This is what makes our food so diverse and interesting. It is a true celebration of flavor every day. Spices offer so much more than just simple taste. They are considered the very soul of each dish. They bring the ingredients to life wonderfully. They also create the most beautiful, inviting smells. Imagine walking through a bustling Indian spice market. The air is thick with a mix of aromas. It is a heady perfume of cardamom, cloves, and chili. This vibrant atmosphere is what spices create. They are central to the entire cooking process. India has a truly ancient and fascinating history with spices. For thousands of years, they were as precious as gold. Brave traders carried these fragrant treasures across vast oceans. The world slowly learned about India's amazing flavors. Our country became known as the legendary land of spices. This rich history is woven into our food culture. Spices were used in medicine, rituals, and daily meals. Their story is the story of India itself. They connect us to our past very deeply. Learning about Indian spices is a delightful adventure. It is like an artist discovering a new palette of colors. You can easily start using them in your own kitchen. Even a pinch can transform a simple dish. It will certainly change the way you think about cooking. It opens up a whole new world of delicious possibilities. So let us begin this exciting and flavorful journey together. You will soon see how easy and rewarding it is. Welcome to the wonderful world of Indian spices. Turmeric is a very famous spice, often called haldi. It has a wonderfully bright sunshine yellow color. This vibrant spice comes from the root of a plant. It has been a part of Indian life for many centuries. It gives our food that lovely, iconic golden shade. Turmeric also has a mild, slightly earthy flavor. It is not overpowering, but adds a subtle warmth. It is a cornerstone of most Indian savory cooking. You will find it in nearly every Indian spice box. Cumin is another essential spice, known as jeera. It provides a distinctly warm and earthy flavor. Its aroma is a little bit smoky and very inviting. You can use cumin as whole seeds, or you can use it as a finely ground powder. Toasting the seeds gently makes them even more fragrant. This simple step really brings out their best qualities. Cumin is absolutely key to many traditional spice mixes. It forms the backbone of numerous Indian recipes. Coriander, or dhania, is loved for its fresh taste. It has a lovely, bright, and somewhat citrusy note. Both the seeds of the plant and its fresh leaves are used. The round, light brown seeds are often ground into powder. This coriander powder is a very common kitchen staple. It is frequently paired with cumin powder. The fresh green leaves make a wonderful garnish. They add a final touch of freshness to many dishes. Coriander is truly versatile and widely used. Beyond these three, many other spices are also deeply loved. Green cardamom pods add a sweet, delightful perfume. Cloves are quite strong, pungent, and very aromatic. Cinnamon sticks bring a sweet warmth to dishes. Tiny black mustard seeds give a nice, sharp pop of flavor. Garam masala is perhaps the most famous Indian spice blend. It skillfully combines many of these wonderful spices. Each spice contributes its own unique character. Together, they create a symphony of flavor. In Indian cooking, spices are used in many clever ways. Whole spices can be briefly fried in hot oil or ghee. This important technique is called tadka, or tempering. The hot fat makes the spices sizzle and release their flavors. This wonderfully fragrant oil then forms the base of the dish. It is a quick step that adds a huge amount of flavor. It is often the very first stage of cooking. Common spices for tadka include cumin seeds and mustard seeds. The sound and smell of a tadka are truly inviting. Ground spices are also extremely popular and versatile. They are often mixed with a small amount of water. This simple action helps to form a smooth, thick paste. This spice paste is then gently cooked, usually with onions. Chopped ginger and garlic are very often added too. This careful cooking builds up a deep, flavorful base. This base is then used for delicious curries and gravies. It ensures the spices do not burn and taste bitter. The flavors meld together beautifully through this method. Turmeric is the spice that makes our curries beautifully yellow. It is present in almost every savory Indian dish. It lends its color and a subtle earthy background taste. Cumin powder gives a wonderful depth to lentil dishes or dals. It is also delicious when used in various rice dishes. Think of a simple, fluffy jeera rice flavored with cumin. It is so easy to make, yet incredibly tasty. Cumin brings a comforting warmth to many meals. Its role is significant in daily Indian cooking. Coriander powder is very useful for thickening sauces and gravies. It also helps to balance out other stronger spice flavors. Its mild citrusy notes complement many ingredients. Fresh coriander leaves are often sprinkled generously on top of dishes. This is usually done just before serving the food. This garnish adds a final, lovely burst of fresh taste. It also makes the dish look very pretty and appetizing. Spices in Indian cooking work together in perfect harmony. They create layers of flavor that are truly special. India is a very large and diverse country, as you know. Naturally, the use of spices changes greatly from place to place. In North India, the blend called garam masala is very common. Dishes from this region are often quite creamy and rich. They frequently use warming spices like cardamom and cinnamon. The food is characterized by its fragrant, complex aromas. Think of Mughlai cuisine with its aromatic biryanis. Tandoori dishes also rely on specific northern spice blends. Each northern state has its own subtle variations. South Indian food offers a different, exciting spice profile. Black mustard seeds are a very important ingredient here. Curry leaves are used extensively, adding a unique, special aroma. Coconut in various forms is also a prominent feature. Some southern dishes can be quite fiery and spicy. Red chilies are used with a generous hand in these recipes. Tangy tamarind pulp is popular for its sour notes. Coastal areas use spices that complement seafood beautifully. The flavors are often bright, sharp, and very distinctive. Many Indian spices are also very good for your health. Turmeric, for example, contains a compound called curcumin. Scientific studies show that curcumin helps reduce inflammation. It is also known to be a strong antioxidant. Many people in India use turmeric in their food daily. It is considered a very healthy and beneficial spice. It has been part of traditional Ayurvedic medicine for ages. This is a wonderful bonus to its lovely color and taste. Cumin seeds are well known to help with digestion. Coriander too is considered good for the stomach. These spices are not just included for their taste alone. They contribute to making the food wholesome and balanced. So I encourage you to try using Indian spices at home. Your everyday cooking will become much more exciting. Your meals will be filled with new, delicious flavors. It is a simple way to bring joy to your table. Embrace the